Greetings everyone, in today's video I will show you how to create Apple ID. Before you get started, please subscribe to the channel. So first of all, open up any of that browser. I'm going to use Safari and then go to Apple ID, apple.com. If you are already logged in on this site, you need to log out first and then tap at the arrow and select create your Apple ID. After that, we need to enter our first name and last name. Once we have done that, we need to scroll down a bit and select our country or region in the way. After that, we need to choose our birthday, just enter day, month and year. Then scroll down a bit and enter your email. If you already have your old Apple ID associated with some email, you cannot use a dead email. So you need to use an email that is not associated with any Apple ID account. Just enter email here and then we need to come up with the password of the Apple ID. I am just going to top at text field and down below it says that your password must have at least 8 characters in upper and lowercase and at least one number. Once you have entered the password, scroll down a bit and then confirm it. And after that we need to confirm our phone number. So first stop top right here and choose your country and then just enter phone number in that field. After that scroll down a bit, enter symbols for that picture in the text field. Scroll down and tap add continue. After that we need to enter a verified call and has been sent to your email. So I'm just going to open up Gmail and then I'm going to enter the card. In the field of top at next, after we have entered the code from the email, we need to enter the code that was sent to our phone number in the same way. We need to tap right here and then enter the code and then tap to next. After that new Apple ID will be created and then we can hop out browser and go to settings. On settings, tap at your name at the very top to get into Apple ID and then we can scroll down and sign out of our all Apple ID and then we will be able to log into new one using your email and password. That's how you can easily create Apple ID on your iPhone. So this is the video for today. Thanks for watching this.